Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye in today's my collection. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyles in low maintenance, some ideas messy hairstyles, so beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, some ideas fine hairstyle, different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step, and so beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and much more beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. Please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. Share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself. Your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.